What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. If you don't already follow me on Facebook, make sure you go head on over to Facebook and give my page a like. All my newest videos are going to be posted there first, including this one that you're watching right now. It was posted a day earlier on Facebook. To start things off for this week's edition of the news, we've got the brand new Volvo 850 Estate, which is released in the 2020 Hot Wheels C-Case. This is one of the most anticipated cars, and as you can see, they are shipping with 3 different ones in each case. It's pretty exciting. I will have my 2020 Hot Wheels C-Case to unbox later this week. If you're an avid collector of Hot Wheels ID cars, we have the HW50 concept coming to Hot Wheels ID. The color on this one and the graphics looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to find this one. We're getting some new pictures of the Hot Wheels 10 packs for 2020. Yes, of course, we do have a lot of fantasy castings in there, but there are some great looking licensed castings, including the exclusive cars in these 10 packs. Let me know in the comments down below which car you're most looking forward to in these 10 packs. The period correct exclusive Mercedes G-Wagon and Land Rover were released. They sold out very quickly, and check out these really cool metal boxes that they were sent in. If you were lucky enough to get your hands on either of these, then you better hold on to them because they're definitely going to be collectible. Some brand new 2020 Hot Wheels 3 packs were found in the wild, and check this one out, which includes an orange Ford GT with gold wheels on it. It's too bad this color wasn't released about a month ago when there was Halloween, but that's okay. We're still really looking forward to finding this one. Some other cars that will most likely show up in these 3 packs is this black Acura NSX, this Pontiac Trans Am, and this Nissan Fairlady 2000. And I know we've talked a lot about this 2020 Hot Wheels 5 pack, but I'm just looking forward to it so much. So here's another picture of it. Check out that orange McLaren F1 GTR. Matchbox released this picture with some new upcoming castings that they're going to be releasing for the 2020 series. And if we look closely at this picture, we can see there is the Bugatti Devo. This is one of the most anticipated castings from Matchbox ever. And here's a picture of the Mazda RX-7 Super Treasurons on its card. Good luck finding this one in stores. It's out there now. Speaking of finding Super Treasurons in stores, check out this haul that one Hot Wheels Hunter found. It's 7 Super Treasuron Ford GT40s found in one store. What a lucky Hot Wheels Hunter. And here we have a brand new Hot Wheels Super Treasurons. It's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is definitely going to be one of the most sought after Super Treasurons for the 2020 Hot Wheels series. We don't know exactly which case it's going to be released in yet, but once we have that information, I'll let you guys know. Here's a picture of it from the top. You can see the 25th anniversary of Super Treasuron logo on there. I can't wait to find this one. And that's gonna wrap it up for this week in Hot Wheels news. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.